morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. One minute, everyone. First, mute yourself. Let me see who all are good kids in this class. We'll learn the first good manner that if you want to answer, just raise your hands or thumbs up. So I will ask you all. If you all have any doubt, you all raise your hands or thumbs up. I will ask you all. Do not scream together. If you scream together, can we understand? Nobody will be able to understand, right? Yes, we can also nod, yes or no, yes? Okay. So tell me, what did we learn in our last class? One will tell me. Nanika, tell me.
Yeah.
Yes, Nanika, what did we learn in our last class?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, we have started the class. Everyone mute yourself. Aditi, tell me, what did we learn in our last class?
We learned content words and form words.
Excellent, Aditi. We have learned content words and form words. So I have given you the definition of content word. So who will tell me what is a content word other than Aditi? Riza, tell me what is a content word, Riza?
A content word is a word that gives us a meaning.
That has a meaning in short. Okay. And who will tell me what is a form word? Okay, Adidev, tell me.
Ma'am, form words are used to form sentences.
Form words are used to form sentences correctly. Okay, do not forget this statement. It is used to form sentences correctly. Everyone, please mute yourself because somebody's mic is unmute. So there's a disturbance. Okay. Okay, fine. So now because last class I have not given an example to you all. Let me write an example on the board. Everybody will be mute, no talking, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sarah.
Ma'am, I joined little late. I was having a network issue.
It's okay, Sarah, not an issue, okay? Everybody keep yourself mute and read the sentence in your mind, okay?
Ma'am, we should write this.
Did I tell you all to write? I have asked everyone to read the sentence, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now I have completed writing my sentences on the board. Okay. Siddhi, Siddhi, can you see the board? Siddhi, can you read the
Yes.
sentences for me, please?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Mary had a little lamb.
Is it?
He
Is
went
it
with
one
Mary
minute,
to
Siddhi, 1 minute.
the
Is there a little over there?
Mary had a lamb.
Okay.
He went with Mary to the market.
Okay.
Mary used to sing softly for the lamb.
Okay. Done? Okay. Now, here, everybody has read the sentence, I believe. Everyone has read the sentence, just thumbs up. Okay. Now, who will tell me the content words? Just raise your hand. Who will tell me the content words? Aditi, you have got a chance today. So let Riza also got a chance. Adidev also got a chance. I want somebody else to answer what is the content word in these sentences. Who will try today content words now? Okay, Sarah. Sarah is going to try for content words.
Ma'am, does it is Mary?
Yeah, it's Mary. Okay. So now, Sarah, tell me the content words in this sentences.
Mary,
Mary. There are 3 times Mary, right? So I will circle it thrice.
Yeah.
Then what else, Sarah?
he.
Sarah, how he is a pronoun, right?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
I want the content word, Sarah.
Ma'am, lamb.
Lamb, yes. Then
Then
Ma'am,
market,
market. Please, others mute. Let Sarah try.
sing.
Sing. Okay. This sing have to scroll. Okay. Sarah, just think which are the noun, then adjective, main verbs, and adverbs in this sentence.
Softly.
Yes, softly. Then there are 2 more. These are the main verbs.
Ma'am, it's just my try for that. Does it is went?
Yes, it's correct. It's went. One more. One more is there. The main verb. I'm helping you out. It's a main verb.
Used.
Used. Very good. Used. Okay. Everyone, did you all see the sentence? Okay, let 1 minute. Everyone, listen to ma'am. Did you all see the sentences on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, no common answer. Just one will. Okay. So I have marked the content words with the green color. Okay. So you all have to go very slowly while reading the sentence and check which all are the content words in the sentence. Okay. Yes. Felix, you have a doubt?
Yes.
Yes, Felix. It's clear.
Ma'am, is it softly or softly?
It's softly. S-O-F-T-L-Y. Softly.
Is T silent there?
No, softly. It's a very slight T will come. Very slight. Softly. Very slight. You do not have to emphasize on softly. It's not like that. Softly. Understood now?
Softly.
Softly. Okay? T is very mild, I can say. Very,
Small.
okay?
Small T.
Small, yeah, you can say a small T or very just like not proper softly. Okay, Felix?
Yeah, okay.
Is it clear to everyone? Now, Felix will help me out with the form words. Ready, Felix?
Yes.
Okay, Felix. I'll change the color. Okay, Felix, start.
Forming words, right?
Form words.
The words that forms a sentence.
Yes, grammatically correct.
Had.
Can you be a little loud? I cannot hear you.
Had is just
It's a had, yeah. It's a had. It's had.
with.
Okay.
The.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, one more the is there.
Um,
In the first line. First line.
just
Mary had a lamb. Oh, it's he. Okay, okay. He.
That's what he, very good. He is what? Which parts of speech it is?
It's from.
Try, Felix.
Pronoun.
Yes, try. First you speak confidently. Even if you're wrong,
Pronoun.
pronoun. Even if you're wrong, we are learning here, right? Kirtana, sit straight, dear. Okay.
2,
2, very good.
4.
4. That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So in a sentence, there will be both content words and form words. Then only our sentence will be grammatically correct. Okay. I can just say that in this, I can just say Mary had a lamb. Yes or no? Is it a correct sentence or no?
Mary had a lamb. Yes.
It's the correct sentence? Yes.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you say Mary had lamb,
No.
no, I need to have form words, right?
Yes.
To make it correct? Okay.
Yes.
So now this part
Ma'am,
is,
am I audible?
yes, you're audible. Okay. So it's clear with everyone that content in the content words, you will have the main words like nouns. Tell.
Adjectives.
Adjective, Manav. Very good.
Pronoun.
Wait.
Main
Wait. Again,
verb.
wait.
Main verb.
Wait. Okay. Now Manav was trying. So let Manav try.
Ma'am, adjective.
Very good, Manav.
Noun.
Very good.
Ma'am, verbs.
Verbs. Very good. But which kind of verbs will be there?
Ma'am,
Main verbs.
main verbs.
Which has some action. Okay. Then the fourth one.
Ma'am,
What is softly? Which form of speech is softly? Adverb, Manav. Adverbs. Okay. And in Tanvi, in form words, which parts of speech we will use? Tanvi, in form words, which parts of speech we will use?
Ma'am,
Yes.
are you audible?
Yes, you are audible now. You are mute, Tanvi. Again, you are on mute. I think Tanvi has some problem with her device. So who is going to try with form words? Mayuk. Mayuk, try for form words.
Ma'am, pronouns.
Yes, very good, Mayuk.
Ma'am, preposition.
Very good.
Conjunction.
Very good. Then helping verbs.
Helping verb.
Yes, helping verbs, then articles. Okay? Is this clear to you all? Okay. Now listen to me, everyone. You all have to be very much mute. Okay? You all have to prepare a seminar on parts of speech. It will be conducted on Saturday. You'll have to prepare a PPT. Okay? On parts of speech. See, listen. Just explanation of little parts of speech, the 8 parts of speech. What is a sentence? Yes, Navneet? Navneet, you have some doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes?
when is the seminar?
I am giving all the information. Let me complete. The seminar will be on Saturday. It will now, from Saturday onwards, it will be on our every class, every child will get an opportunity to present a seminar. Okay? So a period before, we will discuss the names. Okay? So be ready. Okay.
Ma'am, can I ask it out?
Okay, Risa.
Ma'am, it will be according to the roll number.
No, first week I will not give according to roll number. First week I want you all to willingly participate in the seminar. I want 3 kids who can participate. Okay.
I have a doubt.
Who?
Srihari.
Yes, Srihari.
Ma'am, we should do on topics like first one, parts of speech and.
Srihari, I'm explaining. Let me listen to everyone. Let me explain first everything in detail. Then I'll tell you all to ask the doubt. Is that okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll explain y'all. You all have to prepare a PPT, PowerPoint presentation, in which you all will share your screen. You all will teach like a teacher. You all are doing seminars already, right? You all know what is a seminar. Okay, so everybody is aware what is a seminar. So I do not have to explain much. You all will prepare a seminar on parts of speech. What will you do in the first seminar? The first three kids will do. You all will just explain the 8 parts of speech in very short, not in detail. Detail we will give opportunity to someone else, okay? Like you all have to tell what is a sentence, what is a word, whatever it is, whatever I have taught you all in parts of speech starting, you all just explain that you give some example. Like for example, you will tell noun. Noun is a naming words. So naming words, Sarah, Dia, teacher, father, like that. So then the second one will come pronoun. Pronoun will come I, she, he. Pronoun is used instead of a noun. Just short words. Not a full big definitions. Okay? Is that clear? So first on Saturday, who will try for your seminar with a PPT?
Ma'am, may I, Ruza?
Wait,
May
I?
Mute. I will feel everyone. If everyone mute, can I speak then? See, already Riza and who else? Dia is doing the happy hour on Saturday, right? You all are anchoring the happy hour on Saturday. So we'll give chance to Aditi first. Felix, wait. Then who else? Manav Nair, the second one, and Janvi Prabhu. Let me jot down the names quickly. See, if any one of you does not get opportunity on Saturday, you will get opportunity on which day? Thursday, okay? So let me write the names.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the assignment you gave, parts of speech.
Very good. Aditi PS.
Ma'am,
1 minute. Let me jot down the names. Manav Nair. And who else? Whose name?
Janvi, ma'am.
Janvi. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm not using a laptop or computer. It's having some problems, so I can't share the PPT.
So what you can do, you can, whatever you want to write in the PPT, you can write in A4 sheets, take pictures, convert into PDF and share screen. It's okay. You can write it with your hand neatly and clearly. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, who else has doubt?
Manav.
Manav. Yes, Manav?
Ma'am, when after making the seminar, should we add questions?
You can add some questions to ask your friends.
Because the last seminars, we had to make some questions. So
no, not an issue. So you can ask like, who will tell me what are the 8 different parts of speech, or who will tell me what is a noun? Like that, you can ask short questions. Okay,
yes.
Short answer questions.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Aditi. Aditi is behaving excellently in the entire class. Very good, Aditi.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, last class you told we should do an activity on the parts of speech.
Yes, that is a different thing. You have to do an activity on parts of speech. That is a different thing that everyone in the class has to do. But this seminar,
I finished it.
Very good. So you can just WhatsApp me. Let me check. Or okay. Now your doubts are clear. What you have to do in your seminar?
Ma'am, how many minutes are the presentation?
We'll get 5 minutes for the presentation. Okay? Okay, today I'm going to start with a new topic, abstract noun. What am I going to start with?
Abstract noun.
Abstract noun, yes. So, just a minute, okay? Who knows what is an abstract noun? Anybody has any idea?
Ma'am, Felix.
Ma'am,
1 minute, okay? Now everybody is mute. Now nobody will get an opportunity to unmute because only few kids are listening to the instructions, right? So, okay. Kirtana, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kirtana, tell me what is an abstract noun? What do you know what is an abstract noun?
An abstract noun is feeling, or we can only feel it.
Very good. So an abstract noun. Okay. Now, again, I'm giving you all opportunity, but nobody will scream. Okay. Answer one at a time. Okay. Can you all see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Just tell me the which part I'm touching.
Eyes.
Eyes.
Nose.
Nose.
Lips.
Ear.
Skin.
Okay. Very good. What are these? Somebody's microphone has some problem. What are these?
Maria.
What are these things? What are these things called? Who will tell me what are these things
Body
called?
parts.
No, it is not called body parts. They are called as, okay, Sarah, tell me. Tell me, Sarah, what are these things called? Sarah, you have some
Can
network.
only feel it.
Sarah, you have some network issues. We can't understand.
Ma'am, I'm audible.
You are audible to us, but there's some problem. Okay, listen to me. What are these things? These are, okay, Tanvi.
Ma'am, these are common words.
No, Tanvi. These are senses, our sense organ. Have you learned sense organs?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
So these are the sense organ.
Eyes, nose,
Okay,
ears.
mute. In abstract nouns, we will not use our sense organ. Abstract nouns are completely based on our feelings, emotion, state, or ideas. Okay? Abstract noun is completely based on our emotions. How is your emotion? Happiness, sadness, anger. Your ideas. What is your idea about anything? Bravery, whatever, quality, like bravery, beauty, beautiful, whatever it is there. So abstract noun will be not using your senses. Okay, we will not be able to see your abstract noun. You will not be able to touch, smell, hear, or taste. Okay, as you know, all the nouns, we can see yes or no. We can see all the nouns more like there are different nouns like proper noun, common noun, material noun, and collective noun. We can see everything, but we cannot see the abstract noun. Abstract nouns comes within us. Abstract nouns comes within us. It should be from ourselves. Okay? Just thumbs up. Is that okay? Okay. Now, I'll show you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Now I'm audible.
Yes, Sarah, you're audible.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So just let me share my screen with you all. 1 second. Okay. See. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
So as I have told you all, please everyone mute, okay? As I have told you all, an abstract noun is a noun that refers to emotion, feeling, quality, or an idea. Okay. Abstract noun does not refer to any physical object. Can you see my pen? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, Aditi. Very good, Aditi. You are behaving very good. Can you see what is this?
Yes,
Aditi,
ma'am.
very good.
Phone.
Okay.
A book.
Books.
Book.
What is this?
An expression.
An expression which I will show or you'll feel from within, right?
Yes.
How am I behaving? How am I behaving? But how?
Expression. Sad.
Expression, but how am I behaving now?
Sad.
Happy.
Upset. Happy.
Happy.
Happy, right? So all these expressions comes within us. Now I am a proper noun, right? Or a common noun. Yes? Which you all can see me. But my expressions, I can just show from within. Yes or no? My expressions I can show from within. That's why it's called an abstract noun. Abstract noun does not have any physical figure. Any physical figure. You cannot see your abstract noun. You cannot see your abstract noun. You cannot hear your abstract noun, touch, smell, or taste your abstract noun. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Just thumbs up. Okay. So, Riza, tell me what will you like in abstract noun, what you cannot do?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question? I did not.
What you cannot do in an abstract noun?
What you cannot do in the abstract.
Felix, mute. Felix, mute. See. Yes, tell me. Riza,
We
try.
can show the expression.
You can show. I'm asking you what you cannot do now.
We cannot.
Yes, you cannot or we cannot. See, Riza, can you see me, Riza?
Yes, ma'am.
You will add cannot and just you will tell what I'm touching, okay? Miss, what is the use of this sense organ? You cannot? You cannot?
Touch.
No,
Or
no. You cannot. First one, you cannot. See, you cannot.
see, feel,
You cannot see,
feel,
hear,
or
touch,
feel.
taste, okay? Now, is it clear? Only abstract noun comes from within us. It's an inner feeling. Okay, like now Diya is happy or sad, Diya. Can you show some expression? So, Glenn, tell me Diya is happy or sad?
Ma'am, repeat.
What is Diya showing? Which expression Diya is showing?
Thumbs up.
No, Diya, give a big smile.
Ma'am, I can't see her. That's why.
You cannot see her. Okay. Who can see Diya? Just raise your hand. Wait, Sarah.
Yes.
Mayuk.
Ma'am, smile.
Smile. Diya is smiling. So smile will indicate what, Mayuk?
Ma'am, happy.
Happy. So happy is just an adjective, but we have to make it into abstract noun. So she is showing the feeling of happiness. She's showing the feeling of happiness. Okay.
Happiness.
Now, Naznia, show the feeling of sadness. Show the feeling of sadness. 1 minute, okay? Let me stop. Okay. Where is Naznia? I cannot see Naznia. She was there, right? Yeah, Nazia has switched off the camera. Okay. So, Jenica, can you show me the feeling of sadness? Yes. Can you see this feeling of sadness? Okay. Now everybody has got some work to do for Saturday. Like, You all have to prepare, 3 of you all have to prepare seminars. Everybody will find out 10 emotions or feelings, 10 emotions and feelings and jot it down in your notebook. Okay, just jot down the 10 emotions or feelings or quality using abstract noun. Abstract noun. You all cannot write happy, sad. These are not abstract nouns. Happiness, sadness, anger, these are the next class. I will teach you in detail what is abstract noun. Just I have now taught you all the introduction of abstract noun. Is that clear? Okay. Let me take your attendance.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sarah.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, does this abstract noun is a part of adjectives?
No, abstract noun is a part of noun.
Okay, ma'am.
Abstract noun, you can make abstract noun from an adjective, adverb, or a verb, or a noun itself. Okay? For example, you all have heard boy,
Yes.
child.
Yes.
These are all nouns, right? So with this, you have to add H-O-O-D, hood.
Childhood.
So it will become boyhood, childhood, or manhood. So you can use with adjective, adverbs,
Motherhood.
verbs, and nouns. You have to add something at the end of the word and convert it into abstract noun. This I will teach you all. 1 minute. This I will teach you all in detail in the next class on Saturday. Okay? Now I've just cleared Sarah's
ma'am.
doubt. Okay?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Felix?
You told boyhood.
Yes?
We should, if a boy, we should turn into abstract noun. We
Yes.
will had hood, right?
Yes, yes.
So is Bollywood is abstract noun?
Bollywood, it's like a proper noun, I can say. Because it is Bollywood. It's not Bollywood, right? It's a proper noun, Bollywood, where I'll tell you, like actors in Mumbai, Bombay, they act in Bollywood. Okay. Like in Kerala, it will be Kollywood, right? In Kerala, it is Kollywood. In Tamil Nadu, it's Tollywood, right? So it's a proper noun. Okay, Bollywood. It's not an abstract noun. Is that okay, Felix?
Yes, ma'am.
So like tomorrow, in future, Felix wants to act in Bollywood movies. Yes? So you got a sentence also, right, Felix? Let me quickly take down your attendance, okay? Adidev?
Present, ma'am.
Aryan is not coming to class, right?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Aditi PS is,
lot of classes.
okay, Aditi PS is coming. Ashwell is also not coming.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am. You is present.
Okay. Ashwell, you were not present on Saturday also. What happened, Ashwell? Do not miss any of the important classes. It's very important. You will miss the entire topic. Avantika is present. Sarah is present. Devash present.
Present, ma'am.
Dhanvin.
Saturday.
Dhanvin.
Present.
Dia. Felix. Glenn.
Glenn is present.
Haira. Fatima.
Present.
Okay. Hridvi present. Izan present. Janvi present. Jenica present. Juan present. Juan?
Yes.
Juan was there a few minutes before.
Yes,
ma'am.
Juan is here, ma'am.
Okay. Kirtana? Present.
Present, ma'am.
Manjima?
Present, ma'am.
Manas?
Present, ma'am.
Manav?
Present.
Maria Binu?
Present, ma'am.
Mayuk? Nainika? Navneet Krishna?
Present, ma'am.
Naznia present. Niranjan S. Raj is present. Then Ojas is present. Parvati?
Present.
Okay. Rida? Rudra? Okay, John have marked present. Rudra?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Rayan Bijoy?
Present, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Siddhi, Shri Hari,
Present.
Tanvi, Unnimaya.
Present.
Unnimaya.
Tanvi is present. And Tanvi
Okay, Tanvi,
present.
listen to me. Everyone listen to me quickly. See, I call out your names. So I know who all are present. So some names I don't know. So that's why you all have to tell me about them. Unnimaya is present or absent?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Unnimaya is absent.
Okay. So today's absentees is Aryan and Unnimaya. Okay?
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, Tanvi.
Ma'am, but there's just
I will
27.
Saturday's class.
I will inform what I didn't hear you, Tanvi. I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, she
I will
won't be there Saturday.
Okay, you won't be there in the Saturday. So Saturday grammar class, will you be there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine, Tanvi. So you take down the notes or you watch the videos. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. See you next class, ma'am. Bye.